In the last 7 days, I have received 1 lakh views on my Meesho account with 1880 clicks and total 43 orders, guys. Do you want to know how much money I made in last 7 days? As you can see, this is the date of 21st Jan 2025 to 29th Jan 2025. Stick to the very end because I'm gonna reveal you how I got this many views and how I got 43 orders with in just 7 days. So guys, I'm gonna reveal you right now. So I have received a sale of 7,900 in just 7 days of this year in January month. And guys, how I am finding all the products and how I am making, for that I am gonna reveal all my strategies in this video, that how I used to find profitable products, and then how I buy it and then how I sell it. But for that I would like to go towards my orders section so that you can see it live, that what type of products I am selling right now. So if I go into the orders section, you will be able to see right now I still have to sell, like I still have to accept these product that I'm selling right now. So I'm selling this basically apron, so you can see what type of apron I am selling. And if you want to sell the same product, guys, you can also go ahead. What you have to do is, like, you have to go to India Mart, and then you have to search kitchen apron, and then you will be able to see that people are selling the aprons over here. And then you just need to find the same apron. Let's say you so this apron is basically comes under kitchen apron, waterproof kitchen apron. And then if you search it, then you will be able to find the same apron in this category. So you see over here, you can see the same apron, guys. Now this apron is selling only for 55 rupees on India Mart. So you just have to purchase this apron from India Mart, and then you have to list down the same apron on Meesho. And if you go ahead on Meesho, let's say I go to Meesho, and then if I find the same apron on Meesho, so I will type down waterproof kitchen apron. So you see the same apron is selling for 132 rupees on Meesho. That means if you buy apron from India Mart and you ship it, you sell it on Meesho, you can make good profit. But the problem is that Meesho also count your uh, delivery charges. So over here, this person is selling for 132, this seller is selling for 132 and have got 526 reviews. But if you scroll down, you will see the same apron is selling for 153 rupees at a price of and has got 3008 reviews at a price of 153. Meesho charges somewhere around 40 delivery charges, sometimes 60, 70, sometimes 100 as well. So even if you buy this apron for 55 rupees, and then Meesho charges, let's say, on an average 60 rupees, so that makes 55 plus 60, that makes somewhere around 105 rupees or 110 rupees, my bad. Oh, sorry guys, 55 plus, let's say, 60, that makes 115 rupees. And then if you sell it for 153, so let's say you sell it for 150, that means you're gonna make a profit of 35 rupees per order. And guys, if you just sell, let's say, 5 pieces or 10 pieces per day, right, and you are making a profit of 35 rupees, so if you sell 35, if you sell, let's say, 10 pieces, so that means 35 into 10 is the profit that you will be making per day. This is the profit that you will be making per day. And if you just multiply it with 30 days, then this is the profit that you are gonna make in the next 30 days, just by buying the product from India Mart and selling it on Meesho. This is the amount that you are gonna make. Now this is just the one product that I have disclosed it. The same way you can sell more products, guys. And if you just sell, let's say, 20, 30 or 40, 50 products in just one day, you just need to multiply this number with the same amount, and then this is the amount that you can make, enormous amount that you can make in only 1 month. So how do I find my products, guys? So what I usually do is, like, I go to Meesho and then I check it out, like what is the product that is selling on Meesho. So for example, let's say I want to sell, I have made a list as well, so I can show you this list. So for example, like, I want to sell this product, and if I come over here and if I just type it, so you see this product on Meesho is selling for 150 rupees, right? And if I scroll down, this product is selling for 130 rupees. So how many products they are selling? Wash basin, and they are selling pack of two at a price of 130. Now I just need to find the same product on India Mart. So if I go on India Mart and I find the same product, guys, you see this product is coming at a price of only 19 rupees. One single product is costing me only 19 rupees, and on Meesho it is costing me 130 rupees, guys. So now what I will do, I will purchase, let's say, two products. So it will cost me 2240 rupees plus delivery charges, let's say again 60. That means total charge it will cost me 100 rupees, and then on Meesho I'm selling it for 130. That means again I'm making a profit of 30 rupees per product. And if I get 10 orders per day, guys, can't I make like 3000 rupees? No, no, no. 300 rupees a day, and 300 rupees a day means how many rupees in a month? So if I'm making a profit of 300 rupees a day, that means I'm gonna make 9000 rupees from just one single product in one single month. And if I sell two different kind of products with the same profit margin, that means I can easily make 20,000 rupees by just doing e-commerce on Meesho. So what I have to do, I have to purchase the products from India Mart. I have to find the product from India Mart, and then I have to sell it on Meesho, guys. This is how I always do my research part. So if you also want to sell your products online, if you also want to uh, make the payment that I have made so far, right? So what you have to do, you have to send like you have to comment down under this video, and I will be revealing my exact strategies through which you can also sell products on Meesho, and I will tell you how to find profitable products to sell on Meesho, guys.